Ever wondered which rivers are the longest in the world? Let's find out together. Starting off, we have the Amazon River, stretching about 4,345 miles. It flows through Brazil, Peru, and Colombia and is home to the amazing Amazon rainforest. Next up, the Nile River at around 4,258 miles. This African giant flows north through 11 countries, including Egypt and Sudan. It's famous for its historical connection to ancient Egypt. Third on the list is the Yangtze River, running roughly 3,917 miles through China. It's the longest river in Asia and home to the stunning Three Gorges Dam. Coming in fourth, the Mississippi-Missouri River system spans about 3,902 miles in the United States. It's a vital waterway for North America's economy. Finally, we have the Yenisei River, stretching around 3,445 miles. It flows through Mongolia and Russia, emptying into the Arctic Ocean. There you have it. The top 5 longest rivers in the world.